In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text fonts in Premiere Pro. We're going to keep this really simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch fonts for any text in your project and quickly preview how each one looks in your edit. First, make sure you already have your Premiere Pro project open and that you've added some text to your timeline. This could be a title, a lower third, or any graphic created with the type tool. You should be able to see that text in your program monitor, which is the main preview window where you watch your sequence. Now, click on the text directly in the program monitor. If nothing happens at first, double-click on the text. This is how you highlight and select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a text box around the words and you can see the text cursor inside them. This step is important because Premiere only shows the right controls when it knows exactly which text you want to edit. Once your text is selected, look over to the top right area of the Premiere Pro interface. This is where the essential graphics or properties panel will appear, depending on your workspace layout. When the text layer is active, this panel will automatically show you all the settings related to that piece of text. In that panel, find the section labeled Text. Under this section, you'll see a drop-down field at the very top that displays the current font name. This is your font style selector. Click on that drop-down and a list of available fonts will appear. You can scroll through the list or type the name of a font to search for it more quickly. When you click on a different font in the list, your text in the program monitor will update instantly. Take a moment to try a few different fonts and watch how the style changes in real time. This is a great way to see which font best matches the mood and style of your video. If the text becomes too wide or too tall after changing fonts, you can adjust its size or reposition it, but the main font change happens right there in that drop-down. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. That's all it takes to change the text font in Premiere Pro.